Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom Apple Wallet Pass. First, open the Wallet app and log into your account. Tap the plus button at the top of the screen and select New Pass. Choose the type of pass you want to create like coupon, event ticket, store card, and etc. Tap the Edit button to begin customizing your pass. Fill in the required fields such as your name, description, organization, and etc. And upload images like logos or background images. Add a QR code or barcode if your pass requires one. This can be used for scanning access or rewards. Customize the colors and layout to match your branding or preference. When you're done, add the pass to your wallet app. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom Apple Wallet Pass. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.